This is a Synergy Gradebook report tutorial. This tutorial is going to talk about the attendance reports that are available for teachers. The first one is available for individual students. If you were to left click on a student, you'll notice that you will see period attendance as well as the period students attendance. These two will give you a listing of the attendance for either that student or the whole class. If I was to click on the period attendance, it would come up with, for this one particular student, what was their attendance in your class as well as other classes. The other report for the individual student is the period student attendance profile. When that report appears, it's just going to be for that student. It gives you contact information along with the tardies or absences for your period as well as the other periods. The other method of getting a report is underneath the reports button, and this is the period attendance list. This report will give you a listing of all the students in your class that had been absent or tardy, as well as if they were absent or tardy in other periods. The other attendance report is the period student attendance profile. Now, since I didn't select an individual student, this is going to run that report for all of your students in your class. So when that comes up, you're going to notice that it is with 29 students, and it gives me just like that individual, but it has all of them together, as well as a total down at the bottom of each page. As always, there is the question mark in the upper right-hand corner that gives you help from Synergy. Thank you.